Viewers, there is a news that Apple is expected to launch first foldable iPhone by September 2022. Why I'm saying this? Earlier in March 2020, US Patent and Trademark Office awarded a title to Apple foldable cover and display for an electronic device, which clearly indicate that Apple is planning for foldable devices. Apple is in talks with the suppliers of Taiwan. Honhai and Nippon are the main two suppliers, whereas Honhai is one of the main supplier is expected for the Apple foldable iPhone. But interestingly, Apple will be relying on the Samsung foldable display panel. Reported by Taiwanese news website Money Union, according to the supply chain, currently Apple is testing the key components such as screen and bearings. As is expected to launch by September 2022, we have to wait for this. Let's see what we're going to have in the first foldable iPhone. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. I will update you when I will get something. Thank you.